Hey, so we had this fuel filter for ages. Beck Arnie, the guy got at AutoZone, when AutoZone actually sent you good parts. Look where it's made. Isn't that cool? Israel makes the very good shit. Made in Israel. It's gonna go on my old mower many years ago. Now it's going on this. Finally found a purpose for it. Cool. Trash found generator update. We have many things. We got a cool fuel cap with a gauge. I bought a spool of 25 feet of fuel line because it's actually cheaper. Made in Mexico, Gates. So I ran that to a fuel valve. My droop is kind of weird. I'm probably going to put this made in Israel fuel filter on somewhere over here just because I have it in my stash. We did that. That's all hooked back up. We built the fuel pump. I was missing springs. Carburetor should be clean enough. We have an air cleaner on the way. And probably right now it'll be a running machine. Maybe. When I put the tank back on, we clean the whole tank out. Yeah, just the fuel filter added and air cleaner. And it might run on fuel instead of carburetor cleaner. It does make power and it does run. And we changed the on and off switch. You'll see it. That was broken. Took the whole shroud off. It's coming together. It's too much. I got myself a generator now. Old, crappy one, but hey man, you get what you get. Let's go clean up. At least something's done. That's how the fuel line runs though on these. It's stupid. I should probably put like heat wrap over there. It runs right underneath the muffler. Never had it from the factory, but I'm thinking about it. Yeah, that's all free though. It's a clean unit. It definitely has low hours. Like under 100 hours has to. And this sad and the carburetor gummed up and the fuel system got gummed up. Yeah, that thing charges though. It makes power. Amazing. I don't know what this is all about though. I swear that's cracked over there like someone had the head off. And I don't know why that's like that with the Browning. I don't know, it got hot. I don't know. Went on fire. No idea. It's weird. And when measuring your fuel line, don't have your tank all the way back over here. I forgot how it mounted. Because then you have all this extra fuel line. Maybe I'll do something with it. Route it this way or something to tie it up. Oh man. Oh well, it's fine. It makes it tank removal easier. Generators, we're treating the rust and other things. And then this one, the biggest thing came today, which is an air lid. Okay, so Rat Rod got its air cleaner. No, that is not a new one, that is a used one. Got a little ding over there, I'll probably hammer that out. It was kind of bashed over here. Figured, fixed all that up. Straighten that. Worst thing was it had surface rust on it. See, I ground it all. I gotta wait for engine paint. Treated it with vinegar. Put some acid on it, something a little heavier. Over there, I think the backside had it a little bit. You can't really see it. And down there, and up on the top, was not really painted well from the factory. So I'll spray some paint in there. Besides that, it works perfect. It's got little notches for the choke. Can't really see it. And the guy included the screws. Have an air filter, waiting on a brand new plastic cover. Wasn't gonna buy a used one because for a used one they want just as much for used as a new one, so I might as well get new. It's plastic. Yeah, we got a little dinger though over there. I'll try to hammer that out. Right there. There's a little more. I'm not going crazy on it with the painting. Just straighten it up, but that was the part I needed. It works, man. Fits. I don't know why they threw it away, but I'm happy with the one I have. I'll make do with it. Clean it up. Price wasn't bad. It's like $35, and then you get charged a sales tax now. So like $38, which sucks. Free shipping. Good guy, Michigan. He had two of them. One was really rusty, and then he found this one. And he goes, "Ah, you're better off with this one." And he was correct. I thought this one had more rust on it than it did, but like I said, it's not bad. And it's true. Had a little rust under it, that's okay. I knew it was under there. I got it all. I didn't have to chase it very far. the peeling. It's peeling on the inside too. But yeah, a little blend job, a little blend. And once I ran a fuel line or made it too long, I gotta measure how much fuel line I need for the other generator. I might just chop it out of there and add it in, so I don't have to run a new piece. I might have enough actually. So I want to run a fuel filter. The fuel filter is quite long, so that leaves me about that much fuel line. It might be enough to run it with the other one. Yeah, unit runs. Should actually be good to go right now. Let's see though. Yeah, we'll see. Things are coming together. I'm very glad I found this part though. It's hard to find used. I'm definitely not worth paying $109 or something for this thing plus tax. That's insane. Yeah, this one I got some textured paint. I might match this. I took this valve apart, cleaned it, so I don't want to buy a new one. There's the amount of fuel line I need for the other one. This is rusty. I'm kind of cleaning the muffler now. I'm going to spray paint that. This is mad. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe just leave it. Tank is clean. This unit also runs mixed power. And I got to take a carb apart again. I need a carb spring. And I have to put the new gaskets on it because it's not going to run the way it is. But we'll do it soon. And then this one's mostly all together. Gas cap, new fuel line, which is a little too long. It runs. It ran for 2 seconds. It's pouring out fuel from here because this is cracked. It's pouring out. So we got that part on order. We're going to have to pry out that little plastic thing. Put a new one on. We got a used air cleaner. It's in okay shape. It was rusty and then I ground it. It's kind of rusty again just from the air here. I'm going to have to treat it some more and clean it up. But it does work. You see, I needed this for the choke. A regular old air cleaner wouldn't work. It has like a ratchet mechanism on it. See? I got a new gasket for it. Yeah, it runs. We changed the on and off switch. That was broken. Should be okay soon. So that's pretty cool. No more have been thrown out in the trash. Yeah, I put a plastic. I also found NOS metal ones. I put a plastic one on here. I might get a couple of those. They're actually made in America. The metal ones are very, very hard to find, but you find NOS ones still from like closed stores. You should probably keep one on hand instead of this plastic one. But it'll work for now. It's better than nothing. And I got the real cool Steins or Kelch cap with the gauge. It fits on perfect. Has the float on it. Measured it. Works perfect. About 5 inches. Get a little fuel in there. And it's vented too. And you can tell your fuel vent is working just by simply pushing on a tank. You hear this? It's time to move. So frustrating here.